Hey, Saspreneurs, welcome to day 21 of our 30-day high-level mastery challenge. Almost two-thirds of the series is over. I've got some great feedback, and I know it's helping a lot of you implement something straight away because we look at one simple aspect that is geared towards implementation. You're not just going to listen to me. I always believe in action over advice. Implementation is everything. All right. So, what are we going to implement today? We're going to go comb through our phone book, our Facebook friends, our LinkedIn contacts, any network you're part of, your Instagram followers, or any network you're part of. Okay, why are we going to do it? We're going to find out who we can help. We always underestimate the power of existing connections and the potential that there is to either collaborate or find a referral partner or a direct end client in our current network. How many of us do that? How many of us nurture our current network? You post something, it might reach 10% of the audience if it's organic, and probably 5% of those would even react or give you that vanity metric. But do you have a strategy to go and retarget them? Like I am doing it right now, launching a new SaaS. I'm actually right now combing through my database, combing through my feed, combing through my phone book to find out who can I help. This offer is life changing. I know it's a life changing offer, but who do I want to help? Who will it help? So that question is literally thinking about how you can help. It's not like me actually putting money in my pocket, although that's a bonus, but actually thinking who will be the beneficial for your offer. So whatever you're going to sell, either it can be an end of financial year, which like literally we've got 2 working days. So go and comb through your database, comb through your phone book, and scan all the platforms that you're on and see who would be the right fit. Probably not end of financial year. In 2 days, it'll be very, very icky, desperate sale. So, hey, the new financial year is starting. This is something that we've helped people or we're trying to help, we're launching, whatever it is, just be honest and tell them how it's going to help them and sign them up. So let's end the financial year nice and strong with the right mindset, right attitude, right offer. And let's kickstart the new financial year with lots of clarity and abundance mindset, right systems, and right automations in place. All right. If you need a hand with anything at all, just reach out and let's have a chat. I'll see you tomorrow.